Hi guys, welcome to the new segment called Cooking with Ehtesham. This is a new segment which I thought I'll make because doing DIY woodworking is kind of expensive. So I'd rather give a gap in between, do some cooking work. Maybe I'm going to start fitness with Ehtesham in the future. So let's talk what we're going to be cooking today. So today what we're going to be making is vanilla ice cream. It's a very versatile flavor which can be edited into chocolate, into caramel, strawberry, mango, whatever. But the basic steps are the same. Further in the video, I'm going to be explaining how you can incorporate chocolate. I will not be doing it. I'll just explain it verbally. But if you guys really do want it, please let me know. So I'll make a new video where the most popular commented flavor will be done, or I'll just put a poll up here. So click on the poll, do your voting, and I might make another ice cream video next month. Yes, because doing ice cream video every week is kind of boring, right? So let's spice it up. Next week we'll make something else, the week after, then next month we'll come back to ice cream. So let's get started, shall we? Bam, 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 bam. I'm going to be making a huge batch for around 17 people. So I have taken 4 liters of milk, and now we're going to be reducing this down to 3 liters to 3.5 liters average. So this saucepan, the advantage I have is I have the measurements written here, so I can keep up and start boiling this and start reducing. What else we need is we need heavy cream, 25% of heavy cream of the milk. So I have 4 liters of milk, so 25% is 1 liter of cream. 1 liter of cream, so we can make it 4 liters again. Because remember, the easiest calculation you can do is 1 liter equals to 5 people. So 1 liter of ice cream will be eaten by 5 people. So there you go, 1 liter of heavy cream. This is dairy cream from Milk Pack. You can use whatever brand you like. Half a bottle of vanilla essence. Half. Okay. I would like to use vanilla extract. Then you can use less. But in Pakistan, finding vanilla extract is a bit hard. So that's why. Then we have 1 kg of sugar. So 1 kg of sugar and 4 kg of the whole ice cream. So that's the measurements. So let's get started on reducing the milk.
Two hours later.
So there you have it. I have reduced this little over 1.2, 1.3 liters. As you can see, it's below 3 liters now. I started with 4, now it's below 3. Do not let the cream settle in. Now this is the time when you pour in your cream, heavy cream right now. Incorporate this with the milk. So I will be putting 400 ml of cream in this, not full, 400. The rest I will incorporate later once this is cooled down. So there you go, this was 400 ml of heavy cream. Once this is dissolved, you can add in your vanilla essence and sugar. Sugar I'm going to be putting right now. Do not put all of your 1 kg of sugar. Start with 1 cup, let it dissolve, have a taste, then put a second cup. Because every place have different type of sugar, so some sugars are sweeter than the other. So this is the reason. 1 kg is the recipe, but different places have different types of sugar, different sweetness to them. So do taste and then put. So I'll be putting a whole bottle of vanilla essence, not half, because it's too much for half. So 1 bottle, I just got a new one. I'll put this whole bottle in, and I'll start with my 1 cup of sugar and let it dissolve, and then I'll put vanilla essence. So see you in a bit. I am now using a hand blender to blend all the heavy cream in the milk, because all the sugar has now been melted and incorporated in the ice cream. So once this heavy cream is all incorporated, then we'll put it on to the side and wait for it to get down to room temperature.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so now it's time for blending the rest of the cream. And oh yes, I forgot to mention that we need sweetened condensed milk also. Any brand is okay. About 150 ml. This is 300 ml can. I'm going to be using 150 ml. Half of this can. 200, 200, 200. So this 600 ml of cream is going to get added. And then we're going to beat it with the hand blender. This is the time where you can change the flavor of your ice cream. So now you can add chocolate syrup, strawberry syrup, caramel syrup, or if you have baking dark chocolate, put it on a double boiler, put the molten chocolate in here. So this is the time where you can change the flavor of your vanilla ice cream to whatever you like. You can put mint, you can put chocolate chips and other things. Do not go in right now. That goes in the later step. I think this is enough. Now what we'll do is we'll take this bowl and we'll put it in the freezer for around 7 to 8 hours. Do not let this ice cream mixture to freeze completely. Check, this is around 4 liters, so check about 8 hours later. Yeah, 6 to 8 hours later, depending on how fast your freezer works.
Approximately 10 hours later.
It's thick but not set, so it's the time to. So now this is the time where you add chocolate chips, crunch, all the solid particles, and you give it a mix. Once you give it a mix, all that crystallized water will get dissolved, and hopefully your ice cream will not have crystals in it and will be creamier. So give it a nice mix. Okay, don't let it melt completely, keep it thick, and then put it in your ice cream containers, whatever you want, and then set it for probably around 13 to 14 hours more. Then you don't need to touch it. So now it has all been smoothened out. Now I'll put it in the containers and see you after 12 to 13 hours. Bye.
1 eternity later.
Here we go guys, it's 24 hours later. Let's see what's happening in the box. Feels pretty hard now. Oh yeah, looks delicious. So let's start digging in and let's have a nice taste. Nice, it feels really firm. And scoop number 1, success. Scoop 2, also success. So here you have it, guys. Vanilla ice cream done. If you guys liked my video, please give it a like. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and see you next week, hopefully. Bye bye.